mist drapes a mountain veil. The bells drift through the pine. The stones cradle the trail. Their silence answers mine. She stepped from clouded light, her smile the scent of pine. Her hair was chestnut bright, the song a tender sign. We shared no word, just eyes. The hush was just refined, but it was brief like sighs and left no mark behind. Night drifts without a bound, its stars are dreams of mine. The song moves soft around and fades beyond the line.
Da da